M-ProteC is the initiative from MSU led by School of Hospitality and Creative Arts to help our medical frontliners who are battling their life for us today. This project aims for 3,000 sets of personal protective equipments (PPE), which includes isolation gowns, head covers, boot covers, and face shield. This project has been successfully supported by many volunteers, consists of MSU staff and students. From the record, we have 150 registered volunteers to join this M-ProteC project. From these 150 registered volunteers, they are divided into 3 teams, which are cutting teams, facial teams, and also sewing team. Some of the teams were working from home during this MCO period, and we are really amazed of the commitment shown by them. Thank you, volunteers.
I feel very honored to help preparing these PPEs for those frontliners, because I think this is one of the best way to use my knowledge and it keeps me motivated. This is one of the best way for me to contribute to our society.
I feel proud and excited to be part of this project as a volunteer.
This is my new experience for me.
This is the best thing I can do to help the frontliners to do their job.
Thank you for cooperating by staying at home. As we know, what is impossible can be possible. Stay healthy, stay safe.
I hope you stay at home, stay strong, kita jaga kita.
This PPE has been distributed to several hospitals in Klang Valley, which namely Hospital Tunku Ampuan Rahimah Klang, Hospital Shah Alam, Hospital Sungai Buloh, Hospital Kuala Lumpur, Hospital Kajang, and MSU Medical Center. Special thanks to Yang Berbahagia Profesor Tan Sri Datuk Wira Dr. Muhammad Shukri Abdul Yajid, our MSU President, for the fullest support, and all MSUians. Thank you very much from us. We hope that with this contribution, it can help our medical frontliners on supply of PPE. To all frontliners, keep on fighting, and we will be going through this together. Thank you, our heroes.